Welcome to today's video on insightful data extraction using Pydantic, LangChain, and LLM. Data extraction is a crucial process in various fields, enabling us to derive valuable insights from unstructured text data. In this video, we'll extraction insightful data from the text, create virtual environment, and install required libraries. First, we will create the virtual environment for our project using our virtual environment has been created. Now we will activate our virtual environment using. After activate the virtual environment, we will create the requirements txt file to write down the required libraries for this project. Now run the pip install our requirements txt command to install all the required libraries. All the required libraries has been installed. Now we set up our environment variables. These variables include our API keys for OpenAI, which we will store securely using a.env file. This ensures our sensitive information stays safe. Create the .env file. Put your OpenAI_API_ key here. To get the OpenAI API key, open your browser and type OpenAI API key and sign up. Now click on API keys and click on Start Verification to verify your phone number to create an API key. Copy the API key and paste it in .env file. Now create a new Python file to write the code. Next, we define our data models using Pydantic. First, we need to describe what information we want to extract from the text. We'll use Pydantic to define an example schema to extract personal information. We will create the person class represents individual information, including name, hair color, and height. From LangChain_core.pydantic_v1 import base model field. From typing import optional, class person, base model, information about a person. Code is this. Creating a custom prompt. Next, to guide our language model in extraction, we will create a custom prompt using chat prompt template. This prompt provides instructions and context for the extraction process, enhancing result quality. From LangChain_core.prompts import chat prompt template. Prompt equals chat prompt template. From _messages. System. You are an expert extraction algorithm. Only extract relevant information from the text. If you do not know the value of an attribute asked to extract, return null for the attribute's value. Human, text. Setting up language model. With our prompt ready, we set up the language model using ChatGrok. From LangChain_OpenAI import chat OpenAI. LLM equals chat OpenAI. Model equals GPT 3.5. Turbo. OpenAI_API_key equals OS. Geetenv. OpenAI_API_key. Temperature equals 0.6. Create runnable. Next, we will create the runnable and provide the prompt and LLM to the runnable. Runnable equals prompt LLM. With structured output. Schema equals person. Invoking the runnable. Now give the input text. Text equals, my name is Jeff, my hair is black, and I am 6 feet tall. Finally, we will invoke the runnable object with input text. This triggers the data extraction process, utilizing our custom prompt and language model. Print, runnable, invoke, text. As you can see the result. It's just give the insightful data. In most cases, You should be extracting a list of entities rather than a single entity. This can be easily achieved using Pydantic by nesting models inside one another. Now we will create the data class. The data class will serve as a container for a list of person instances. Class data base model. Extracted data about people. Hashtag creates a model so that we can extract multiple entities. People, list, person. Change the schema person to data. Update the input text. My name is Jeff, my hair is black, and I am 6 feet tall. Anna has the same color hair as me. Test the application and see the results. Thank you for watching.